y'all, welcome to my channel. I wanted to show y'all my Halocouture extensions. I did a video, it's been a while back and I just kind of got busy and I wasn't able to actually show you how to install those, but I gave you a little information about Halocouture extensions and the products that they offer. So like in the other video, I showed you what kind of packaging it comes in. And with the extensions, you're going to get a rat tail comb. Here is the one that I showed in my last video. My hair was actually ombre, like a purple and a magenta. So see, this is the one that I used in my last video, but since then I have actually colored my hair back close to its original color and I'm actually enjoying it right now. It's a good change. My hair just got to where it wasn't holding my color as well, so I just kind of gave it a break. It may have had something to do with pregnancy and hormones and you know, something like that. So I just colored it back to my original color and I'm really enjoying it. So I went back to my old Halo extension. This is, let's see, I've had this one a while. This is a number 1B, and that's the darker color that you see in there. And I actually sewed in some real hair in a violet just to kind of give me something different, just a different look, just so it's not solid, and it gives me a little more fun because I like colorful hair. So here's the band. I've already got mine adjusted. Actually, this one is a little bit different from my newer one. The difference is they didn't used to make the Halocouture with an adjustable band. You actually had to untie the clear band and then retie it back, which was really hard to do. So they've actually improved the design. So instead of just having a band with the thread and you have to tie it, now they make it where you can actually adjust the band. And here's the band. So see, it's got like hooks on it and it's got little loopholes where you can adjust it. So this is a much better design. But this is my older one. It's already adjusted, so I don't have to worry about it. But what I'm gonna do, I've already curled my hair. I curled it earlier, just so it would save a little more time on this video. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my halo and I'm going to put it on just like an angel halo. Okay, all right, there we go. I just put it over my hair. And then I'm gonna take my rat tail comb. Actually, hang on just a minute. Okay, I'm back. So I'm gonna grab my rat tail comb and I'm just gonna go right above the band and I'm gonna pull the hair out over this. I'm gonna let you look at the back so you can kind of see. Okay, so now I'm gonna pull over. I'm just pulling over the band, not pulling the band, but just pulling right above it. Okay, just pulling the hair out over it. And it's really simple to do. It's not hard at all. These are much better, safer, all the above for your hair instead of extensions that you actually apply to the hair. And this is something that's not permanent. You can take it in and out. And because of gravity, it's not gonna slip out of your head. You know, as long as you have your fit right, then there's no reason that it would come off, okay? A lot of people ask me that. Is it gonna come out? It feels like it's gonna fall. Well, then you just may need to adjust your little hooks a little tighter. Okay, so now I've pulled my hair over. Make sure I didn't miss anything in the back. Just pull your hair over that band, okay? And it should lay nice and smooth like that. I can't see it, but I know it's smooth because I can feel it. Okay? And now what I'll do is I'll take a little bit of this around my face and just kind of pull it down. Sometimes it'll get tucked up under or tucked behind your ear. So this is it. can brush it. I like to hold mine so I'm not pulling on my band, you know. I've had only 2 people to break their band, and they wear theirs all the time. See, that didn't take long, and I was talking and explaining, so. All right, I'm gonna raise up so you can kind of see the difference in the length. See how much more fullness and how much more body I have with it. And see, I just got that little bit of peekaboo of color there, just kind of give me some contrast, some interest. And I love that adding some extensions allows you to be a little more versatile with your hairstyle. Without extensions, if I do a braid, my braid is like that big. So I love these braids that you see on Instagram, you know, and they're just big and fat. I love that, but I can't get that with my natural hair. My hair's just too fine. And I love those top knots, like pulling it half back on top of your head, and I love the big buns. The big buns, y'all. The messy buns, I love those. But my hair just won't do that because it's so fine. So by incorporating some extensions, it gives me a little more fullness so I can get that big fat braid that I long for. So I am planning on ordering one of the Halocouture ponytails. You can actually incorporate the original or the layered in with your ponytail, but it makes it a little more difficult. It's actually very aggravating. I've done it, but I don't like doing it. It takes too much time. I can pull this back without doing a ponytail. See, I can pull this back, wear like a low ponytail. I could do a braid to the side. I could pull this my bangs back and kind of give them a little bit of bump. I can wear it half back. There's many different ways that you can wear the original or the layered Halocouture extensions, but for a ponytail or a bun up high, I would much rather use the ponytail Halocouture. So I plan to order that soon so I can do me a big bun on top of my head and wear it messy. And then I can wear like a high ponytail and have it hanging down. So I'm excited about ordering that. It's kind of nice to have those extensions to incorporate into my style to give me that look that I'm looking for. And now you know how to install a Halocouture extension. To pull it out, what I do, I just grab the bottom and I just pull it up. And it's done. Isn't that amazing? So easy, so easy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel, please. It would mean so much to me. And don't forget to like and share if you enjoyed. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.